In this Japanese-style tiny cabin home, creative space planning meets functional artistry through the use of sophisticated multifunctional cabinets. These built-in units are not only used for storing daily necessities but also designed to double as cozy seating or a casual place to relax, offering a warm, minimalistic aesthetic aligned with Japanese design principle. One of the most impressive features is the loftbed that spans half of the cabin's interior space. Unlike traditional lofts with fixed staircase that consume valuable square footage, this tiny home uses a portable ladder for access, preserving the open layout below. This clever ladder system allows the lower area to remain unobstructed and flexible, perfect for transforming into a living area, workspace, or the nook, depending on the homeowner needs. The thoughtful placement of furniture and built-ins maximizes utility without compromising on style or serenity, making this tiny cabin home a brilliant example of how smart design can turn even the smallest footprint into a highly livable, multifunctional space.